Bass Boat Saver, total protection for your boat.
What are you spraying on your boat?
Oh, it's the neatest stuff. It's called Bass Boat Saver. Total protection for your boat. Cleans, waxes, and UV sun protection.
It really feels slick. What else does it do?
Cleans and protects your engine, the fiberglass, your seats, your trolling motor. It'll even clean and protect your trailer and your trailer tires. The greatest thing is you can clean it here at the ramp.
Hi, my name is Wes Thomas. I fish the professional FLW circuit for Fujifilm. And if you're like me, traveling up to 250 days a year, or just a weekend angler, Bass Boat Saver will work for you. It not only cleans and shines, but will protect your boat from ultraviolet rays.
The ease of getting off the dirt and everything, I mean, it just can't beat anything. I mean, it's just great. Nothing ain't better to use.
Do you clean your whole boat with it?
Yes, sir. I clean the whole thing. Wipe it down inside and out. I even use it on the seats, the vinyl and everything else. It does a real good job.
It's the best product I've ever used. It seems like it keeps a shine on the boat, you know, and it's got like a clear coat that, you know, easy to wipe off the dirt. I mean, it puts like a wax coating on your boat. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, that's why some of the rubber rails here keeps everything shining.
Yep. What I like about it is it gives a real nice smooth finish on the boat, and every time you clean it, it seems like it's a little easier because it leaves a great finish on the boat. Makes it really nice and easy to take off the river grime that builds up on your boat also.
Bass Boat Saver, total protection for your boat. To find your nearest dealer, log on to bassboatsaver.com or call toll free at 1-866-716-6398.